Welcome to Swiss Business, where your well-being is our priority. Start your journey with a choice of apéro bites and drinks. Your table is set with care and attention, the perfect stage for a 5-course menu created to delight. Following your chosen first course, enjoy a freshly prepared soup, a small culinary greeting just for you. After the main course, we offer you a curated selection of cheese and a choice of 2 tempting desserts. The perfect finale, fine pralines from Eschbach Chocolatier, a taste of Swiss tradition. Our amenity kit by Viu offers all the essentials for your flight. Additional items are available on request. Our cabin crew is happy to assist. On long night flights, we provide you with a seat topper and a sleeping shirt by Montagnard, so you can simply sit back and enjoy your flight. Make your journey your destination with Swiss Business.